Today is school day. I don't want to go. Jennie, good morning, baby. Mommy, I'm scared. It's okay. Mommy is here. Today is your first day of school. What if nobody likes me? Don't worry. You will be okay. Look, you look so pretty today. Really? Really. Your teacher will love you.
Good morning, Jennie.
Good morning, Daddy.
Hey, why the sad face?
I am nervous, Daddy.
Do you know what I did on my first day of school?
What?
I cried a little bit.
Really, Daddy?
And now look at me. I am okay.
Eat your breakfast, Jennie. You need energy today.
Okay, Mommy. Mommy, what is school like?
School is fun. You will learn new things.
Will there be other kids like me?
Yes, many kids, just like you.
Maybe you will make a new friend today.
A new friend?
Yes, a best friend. Like Sophie next door.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Jennie, are you ready?
I think so.
You have your bag. You have your water bottle.
Yes, Mommy. Wait, I need my rabbit.
What is wrong, Jennie? Okay. Get your rabbit.
I need you today, okay? Don't worry, I will bring you back.
Jennie, we need to go.
Coming, Mommy. It's far.
It's not far. Almost there.
Look, you can see the school already. Daddy, I don't want to go in.
Hey, look at me. You are brave, Jennie. I know you are.
Look, there are so many kids.
There are so many people,
See? You are not alone, Jennie.
but I don't know anyone.
Good morning. Welcome. Good morning. This is Jennie. It's her first day. Hello, Jennie. I am Mr. Brown.
Hello.
Don't be shy. My class is very fun. We will draw and sing and play today.
Draw?
Yes. Do you like drawing?
I like drawing.
Perfect. Then you will love my class.
Okay, baby, time to go inside. No, don't go, Mommy. We will be right here after school. Promise?
I promise. 3 o'clock, right here. Don't cry, baby. Be strong.
Okay, Mommy.
Daddy loves you so much.
I love you too, Daddy.
You can do this, okay?
Okay.
Come, Jennie. Let's go meet your classmates.
Mommy!
We are here. Go. She looks so small.
She is brave.
I hope she is okay.
She will be okay. Trust me.
It's so big!
Yes, but you will know it very well soon. Come, the classroom is here. Come in, Jennie. Don't be shy. Everyone, this is Jennie. Say hello.
Hello, Jennie. Hello.
Good. Now find a seat, Jennie.
You can sit here. Really? Yes. I saved this seat. My name is Sophie. What is your name? My name is Jennie. That is a pretty name. Thank you.
Okay, class, let's start. Today, we will draw our family.
I like drawing.
Me too.
Wow. Your drawing is so good. Really? Thank you, Sophie. Who is this? This is my daddy, and this is my mommy. And this little one is me. That is so cute. Thank you.
Okay, everyone, time for a break.
Come, let's go outside.
Okay.
It's nice here. Yes. We play here every day. Every day? Yes. In the morning and after lunch. Is that a rabbit? Yes, his name is Bunny. Bunny, that is a funny name. My daddy gave him that name. Your daddy sounds funny. He is very funny and very kind. My mommy is very kind too. I miss my mommy.
Don't be sad. Your mommy will come. She said 3 o'clock. That is not long. We can play until then. Okay. Do you know this game? No, what is it? I will teach you. It is easy. Like this? Yes, good Jenny. Haha, try again. Okay, one more time. You are funny, Jenny.
Okay, class, sit down, please. Now let's learn some new words.
See, school is fun, right? Yes, it is fun. I was scared before. Me too, on my first day. Really? Really? Yes, I cried a little bit. You cried? But then I made a friend, and I was okay. Like me and you today.
Jenny, can you tell the class your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
It's beautiful. Why yellow?
Because yellow is happy.
I love that answer. Yellow is happy.
Good job, Jenny.
Okay, class, the day is almost finished. Please pack your bags.
Already? See, it was fast. I want to show Mommy. She will love it, and Daddy too. Come, let's go outside.
Mommy! Jenny, here! My baby. I missed you.
And what about Daddy? No hug for Daddy?
Daddy!
So?
How was your first day? It was good, Mommy.
Just good?
Very good. I made a friend.
Sophie, come here. Hello.
Hello, Sophie. I am Jenny's mom.
Hello, Jenny's mom. See you tomorrow, Jenny. Yes, see you tomorrow, Sophie.
So you were not scared anymore?
I was scared in the morning,
And then?
and then I was okay. I met Sophie. She was very nice. And Mr. Brown said my answer was beautiful.
Oh, what was your answer?
I said yellow is happy.
Yellow is happy. I love that.
That is a perfect answer, Jenny.
I know. Look, I drew our family.
Oh, it is so beautiful.
Is that me? I look very handsome.
Yes, Daddy, that is you.
I am so proud of you today, Jenny.
Really?
You were very brave today.
I was a little brave.
You know what brave people get?
What?
Ice cream.
Ice cream!
So will you go to school tomorrow?
Yes.
Are you still scared?
No, I am not scared anymore. Mommy was right.
What did Mommy say?
Don't worry, you will be okay.
That is right. You are always okay.